This video tutorial I will explain how to generate a random numbers. Here I have defined the class random demo 1. Here I have created a random object. Inside while loop I am calling nextLong method of random object. Every time this method is called, it returns the random long value. Here you can see the output. So like that, here I am calling nextFloat method of random object. It returns random float value. Here I am calling nextDouble method of random object. This method returns random double value. Here I am calling nextBoolean method of random object. This method returns random Boolean value. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.